Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new soap bubble keyframe effect. So what you're going to do is create a layer, go to keyframe, add effect, and soap bubble. So this is what it looks like without anything done to the settings. And I'm going to show you what all these settings below do. So amount, it's quite simple. What it does is increases the amount of bubbles on your screen. Size, which is quite self-explanatory, it basically increases and decreases the size of the bubbles, whether you want them a lot smaller, not as noticeable, or whether you want them larger, or the default. So this is what it looks like at the moment. When you increase the speed, all the bubbles move a lot faster, or if you decrease, it moves a lot slower, depending on what you want to do. Then we have amplitude. This basically moves it left and right, changing the direction of multiple bubbles. As you can see, there are some that go in one direction, some that go in the other, which is really cool. Then we also have frequency. This basically chooses the amount that you want to move. So the lower, the slower it will go, the faster it will go. Also depending on what effect you're trying to do, and how that happens. Then we have depth. This one isn't too noticeable, but it does have a big difference. So if you can look at the bubbles now, you can see that they're quite easy to see and not blurred. Once you increase the depth, you can see, for example, this one here, if you focus on it, it blurs. So this is a really cool effect to do because not all of them blur, only some do, and it creates more of a realistic effect. And the last option is background. You can get rid of the background and your layer will still be in the bubbles, which is really cool. Now most of these effects you can use keyframes, which is pretty good, like size. So you can always play around with that and include it in your edits. Now I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.